Okay, on this Prius gas station, I was asked a question. I'm hesitant to say anything about this place. I'm not going to show the name. Um, I've been to this place like a decade ago. It was the last time. When I raised my prices, they stopped using me a decade ago, well over a decade ago. But he has a Prius in his shop now, and his question is, I want you to recharge Prius. Why do compressors keep burning up on Prius? Prius have bad compressor. Well, I could tell you, Prius don't have a bad compressor. That's not the problem. And then it was been to dealer. Dealer said high side pressure switch, so he replaced the high side pressure switch. Then I got more story. I said, why is there new fans on there and a new condenser? A couple months, this is like maybe several months old, and found I was in a body shop and it was in an accident. Went to the body shop filled it up, burned up compressor, put on another compressor, burned up compressor. Went to dealer, said it was had the code for over pressurizing, which would be most likely filled too high, burned up compressor. What else did I find? Oh, it only had 2.1% air in it. For somebody who's a garage, yeah, that's not too bad. So now he has another vehicle over there, and I'm not going to show, but I might get some video because that one's inside the shop. Another compressor, another condenser. But I asked him, hey, what about the oil in this? This is a brand new compressor, and this is one of the sand-in compressors that have the oil fill plug on the side. And he goes, what oil? I go, did you put some oil in it? And he goes, oh yeah, I put some. I poured it down this hole. And he poured the oil. I'll go, how much? And he goes, little can, about that much. So that's about an ounce, because it's a little 8-ounce or 6-ounce can. So he got about an ounce, and he poured it in the low side. But this compressor that is on the Dodge, over on the Dodge we're talking about now, it has a fill port on the side, and actually has a crankcase, and everything has to be oiled inside, not through the fill port. They're separate. You have to pre-fill it. This compressor came dry, and he only put about an ounce in the suction line. And he was going to run the AC with no oil in the compressor. I've seen these burn up several times from shops before, and they try to turn them in defective compressor and turn them back to the warehouse as defective. And yes, something is defective, but it's not the compressor. Okay, so that'll be the other one if I get a chance. Oh, and the oil he showed me, wrong oil. So it's a SP20 on the Sandin, on this older 2001 Dodge Dakota. And I just did a video on this just the other day with somebody else with the issue with oil. And on that Dodge Dakota, he put in 46 viscosity oil. This is a heavy geared, heavy pressure. This compressor needs 100 viscosity oil, and he put the lightweight stuff on there, and only an ounce, and only in the low side port. And the bottle looks like it's from the 1990s, Four Seasons, all crusty. Took off the cap, smelled it, smelled like the most rancid old salad dressing oil. And that's what he put inside the 2001 Dodge. He's over there now pulling off the compressor, because we're going to put some oil in the compressor itself through the bolt hole on this one. Four Seasons compressor, and burned up compressor. He didn't do expansion valve, he didn't do accumulator. All he threw on was a compressor and a condenser. Let's see what happens. These are the kind of places customers need to stay away from, but unfortunately this place has been here over 30 years, and it still gets away with doing this kind of work and just throwing parts by throwing parts, and customers keep coming. He's in a good location to get new customers all the time who don't know any better. He's good at brakes. Tune-ups are a thing of the past, but I can say he's good at replacing parts, and he figures things out the old school way. But AC was never his thing, and the little cans. I used to have an old machine, and every time I came out on this place, it was always high air percentage. And that's it for this one. All right, see ya.